buy this keyboard as soon as you can. It is so nice for a budget gaming keyboard. It not only sounds really nice, the LED looks really nice, and the keycaps look really, really clean. It comes with these purple ones, as you see in here, and it comes with the keycap holder, and you can customize it however you like, and it sounds super, super nice. And not only does it just look really nice, the LED is also really, really cool. So how you change it, at least for me, is this. And you may think this is no LED, but it actually is touch sensitive. It has multiple touch sensitive ones where it's just one keycap, which I personally like, because sometimes you don't want the LED, which you can't turn off the LED, but this is the closest that you get, which is pretty nice. And then you get some more touch sensitive. And then some waves. It's just a really, really nice keyboard. Overall, it's just, buy it. It's so good. And honestly, don't listen to any of the bad reviews. Only listen to the good ones. It's so good. And you can see right here when you press caps lock, it does that. And it's just so nice to use. And it's red switches.
Alright, so I ordered this keyboard the other day, and when it arrived, I was very excited. You know, it looks absolutely amazing, but I had a few problems. So, you know, some of the keys didn't work. And also, when it arrived, the keys were like off of the keyboard, so I had to put them back on. You know, I didn't really pay too much of a mind to it. But, you know, fast forward a few days later, I returned it. And then I got a replacement sent, and this one came in a few days later, and the keys don't work again. I'm having the same problem, and it's like a weird scent on the keyboard. Like, it smells a little strange. But as you can see here, it's the E key. When I press it, it's not responding. Then we go for the P, pressing it again, also not responding. So if you're looking for a good keyboard that actually works, I don't suggest this one. So, you know, I say buy at your own risk. And with that being said, that's all I have to say for this keyboard.
It also has very much different modes. You just gotta hold this and hit this, and it changes the mode. And right now I have it on this cool wavy mode.
Stay over there.
It's very cool.
Okay, so this is the keyboard. I changed the WASD. I'm playing Fortnite and it's really good. The keyboard is really clicky. It's not too loud. It's blue switches and it's like really amazing. I recommend anybody who wants this to get it.
I mean, it's just a great keyboard in general. Sounds really nice. And the startup with it, I mean, it's just beautiful. It comes with extra keycaps. 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend this to somebody. Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Best keyboard I've ever had.